Today I want to show you something called a pull-through braid. These are wildly popular right now, I think because you can make them really voluminous, big and messy, and that's like the coveted look right now. So they're not technically really a braid, so it's kind of a cheater braid. What you are going to need though is a lot of elastics, particularly small elastics. A lot of people like to use the little like rubber things that you can just rip apart and take them out of your hair, but I have these. They're just regular hair elastics in a smaller size. So to start out with, I'm going to start with normal sized ponytail holders. See how many of my pro ties I can find, because those will not damage my hair as much, but I have some others, some regular elastics as backup if I need them. So the prep work we're going to do here is first divide up the hair on our head horizontally. I'm going to start with a ponytail that's kind of a half up, a little bit less than half though. That aside and do another ponytail right below it. The next group of hair here. Not too much. Where did I put my comb? Okay, now I'm going to pull a little bit to make this messier and looser because that's just part of this style. I might go back to that at the end. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hair elastic so I'm prepared. Quick note to add that I discovered you don't necessarily have to put all the ponytails in ahead of time to French pull-through braid. You can just add hair as you go, like normal. So you would start with 2 ponytails, and then as you put the stuff underneath, then you would add hair in. So with a technique like that, you would be able to do it as a headband braid or even a whole crown braid too. And then I'm going to take the top ponytail, split it in half. Oh, something went wrong here. And wrap it underneath the second ponytail. Secure it there. Okay. Now, this middle ponytail is the next one, so we're going to split that. Easier said than done. And we're going to put it around the one below it. Pull this out. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Fluff, 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 fluff. Probably should have had more. No, you cannot. Should have had more ponytails here so there would be less gap. But we will continue Same thing over and over. We're going to split this in two, wrap it underneath the ponytail below, and secure with an elastic. And that is the essence of the pull-through braid. So as you can see, you can pull it out. Oh, let me move this so you have better lighting. Yeah, you can like pinch and pull to make it just enormous. So it has such a soft, romantic, loose kind of style to it. So I'm finishing it up by just tying the two things together now with an elastic. And I think something went wonky around here, but that is the basic idea. Let's see how it looks from behind.